choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line. Y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
I'm well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, one A to Z. My sister's all on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. My tea, waka, waka, my waka, waka, my Sangin' since summer, Zimbabwe, yeah. 'Cause this is Africa.
Samina mina, anawa ah, samina mina, samina mina, anawa ah.
Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tango, eh, eh. Tango, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Tango, eh, eh. Tango, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. We're all Africa. We're all Africa.
Let us hear a round of applause. Wonderful performance by our 4th standard students. Meghna Vanjara, your child is with his grandfather. I request Meghna Vanjara to please come near the stage. आपका बच्चा जो है उनके नाना के साथ है. The 3rd, 4th and 5th standard children will be given away later on. Parents are requested to please be seated and enjoy the program.
अरे ये मोर की आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है?
क्या आप मोर भी ड्रिल करने आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, तुमने ठीक पहचाना।
आ रहे हैं our own 5th standard children with their halcyon wings.
Children. And now coming back to sports once again, though it is dark, but the time is just 6:30 and we have the relay races coming up. The 4 into 100 relay race for boys, for the girls. For the girls of the senior secondary, we have 2 groups. In group 1, we have Krisha, Nupur, Ruchita and Vishwa. And in group 2, we have Hani, Akansha, Darshita and Asta. All the students are from Vidyakunj Higher Secondary. This is the 4 into 100 meters relay race for the girls of senior secondary. Okay, we move on to the 4 into 100 meters relay race for boys. In group 1, we have Lavish, Murgaon, Abhiram and Nirmal. In group 2, we have Manish, Akash, Blesson and Ujjwal. Group 3, we have Rakesh, Ajit, Satyam and Kripesh. And in group 4, we have Manthan, Tarak, Manish and Arvind. The 4 into 100 meters relay race for boys for the senior secondary coming up next. In the 4th group, we have Manthan, Tarak, Mainesh and Arvind. Children, there is no time to waste. On your marks. And there is a wonderful competition coming up between the students of senior secondary. The battles have changed hands after a distance of 100 meters. can avoid that drama on the field. Coming up next is 4 into 100-meter relay race for girls of the secondary section. Nilgiri House, we have Prutha Gevaria in lane number 1. Prutha Gevaria, Tanisha P. Dhoot, Rutu Suthar and Drashti Jain. From the Aravali House, we have Riya Dave, Pratha Patel, Lakshita Drolia and Hitarthi Vora. From the Vindhyachal House, we have Janet Johnson, Anshika Tyagi and Rutuja Jagtap and Rishita Arvina. And running in the first round for the 3 houses are Prutha Gevaria, Pratha Patel and Anshika Tyagi. This is the 4 into 100 meters relay race for girls. And then I announce once again, standard 3rd, 4th and 5th standard students will be with us in the classrooms and they'll come onto the ground after changing the costumes. Parents are requested to stay back and enjoy the program. Yes, that is Anshika. Rutu Suthar, Lakshita Drolia and Rishita take over. With the Aravali House leading for the moment. And again the 3rd, we have Rutuja Jagtap, Hitarthi Vora and Drashti Jain. And the clear leader at this moment is Aravali House. And yes, it is Aravali House leading the first position, followed by Nilgiri House. Okay, and that is Vindhyachal House coming in the second position, and the 3rd position goes to Nilgiri House. The 4 into 100 meters relay for boys coming up next is the participants for the Nilgiri House are Nikun Sharma, Hussein Merchant, Anirudh Mahida, Saurabh Saini. For the Aravali House, it is Zakaria, Manan Nandwana, Ayush Desai, Pankaj N. Sharma. And for the Vindhyachal House, it is Vinay Umanwar, Krunal P. Shah, Chirag Bhatt and Somil Shah. We have the 4 into 100 meters relay for boys. Hussein, Zakaria and Somil in the first 100 meters. From Vindhyachal House. I hope audience you are also enjoying our sports events. The next to line up is the girls from 7th and 8th standard for the 4 into 100 meter relay race. In lane 1 we have Nilgiri House, Rishita, Samita, Meeta and Yashi. From the Aravali House we have Sakshi, Kusum, Aditi and Krupa. And in the Vindhyanchal House we have Sneha, Prisha, Saili and Kushi. We have Saili taking up the baton for the first round. Then Krupa, that is Kusum from the Ravli House and Samita from the Nilgiri House. And all parents are requested to please keep away the students, the little children from the tracks. The young ones from 7th and 8th standard. Samita, Kusum and Saili handing over the baton to Yashi Chanki, Krupa Mrugam and Kushi Chanki. And it is going to be a close finish once again. Aravali leading, and that is Nilgiri and Aravali neck to neck. And it is Aravali followed by Nilgiri and Vindhyachal in the third place. The 4 into 100 meter relay race for boys of 7th and 8th standard. And the participants are Nilgiri House, Rachit Patel, Love Patel, Arnesh Singh, Kirandi Pillai. From the Aravali House, we have Harsh Padnes, Aman Kotaria, Ayush Petkar and Anurag Ingle. From the Vindhyanchal House, we have Harsh Tripathi, Aman Patel, Ehrar Sayyed and Anuj Sheth. Yes, that is a close fight once again. The Vindhyanchal and Aravali House coming close. And Ayush Petkar leading for the Aravali House, followed by Vindhyanchal and Nilgiri House. The Arabians clearly leading to the final lap. And clear winner we have in Aravali, followed by Vindhyanchal and Nilgiri House.
Taking a break in between with the events and the races, we now take out time for the prize distribution. And before we start giving away the prizes for the evening, we would like to inculcate the values that we always give to our students, the values of joy of giving and caring and sharing. And hence we request our Director Principal, Mrs. Alpa Kotaria, to please come forward as we are going to present a wheelchair to Srimati Tara Ben, and I request our Youth Club members from Vidya Kunj Higher Secondary 11th and 12th students, VHS Higher Secondary Youth Club members to please join Alpa ma'am. And I request Srimati Tara Ben to please come forward and accept this kind gesture on behalf of VPS and Youth Club members. Srimati Tara Ben, the wheelchair is being presented to Srimati Tara Ben by the students of VHS Yes Youth Club members, 11th and 12th standard children, and Alpa ma'am. She is a needy person. Nothing seems to be more satisfying than to be able to bring a smile on a person's face. And that is what we try to inculcate in our students through these values of giving, sharing, and caring. Srimati Tara Ben, who has been gifted this wheelchair by the VPS Yes Youth Club members, along with Alpa ma'am and Vaishali ma'am escorting to the ground. Our Interact Club members are also joining hands in this gesture, joy of giving, by presenting a sewing machine to Srimati Jaya Ben. So I request Srimati Jaya Ben also to come forward and accept the gift. VPS who are a part of this Interact and Youth Club regularly donate a minor amount of money, which at the end of the year is utilized for these gifts to the needy and help bring a smile on these people.
I now request Mr. Naval Bansal and Alpa ma'am to please come forward for the prize distribution ceremony for all the winners of the sports event that was conducted in the previous days and today also. We will be handing over the prizes from 5th to 12th standard only today, and 1st to 4th standard students will be awarded the prizes after the school reopens. I once again request Naval Bansal sir and Alpa ma'am to please step forward. We begin with the first prize was won by Sakhi Rugani of Aravali House. Second position went to Ekta Sharma of Nilgiri House, and the third prize was won by Ruchita Bagaria of Vindhyachal House. This is for the book balancing girls of 5th and 6th standard. The prize winners of book balancing boys, please line up. I call out the names: Atharva Borkar, Pratham Khush Desai, Rishabh Mahor and Atharva Borkar. The prize winners for book balancing boys. Rishabh is absent. The first place was won by Khush Desai and third place by Atharva Borkar. 100 meters dash for 7th and 8th standard. The first prize was won by Aman Patel of the Vindhyachal House. Second prize was won by Harsh Tripathi, and third position went to Ayush Petkar of Aravali House. Aman Patel, Harsh Tripathi and Ayush Petkar. The hurdles for girls 7th and 8th standard. First position was won by Rishita P. Shah. The second place went to Shubhranshi and the third position was won by Samita Chaudhary. I call out the winners of 9th and 10th, the secondary section boys. The first position went to Nikun Sharma. Nikun Sharma won the first position from Nilgiri House in the hurdles boys for the secondary section. The second position was won by Vinay Umanwar and third position went to Zakaria Wakadia. Now the prize winners for 200 meter dash. The first position went to Janet Johnson. The second place went to Prutha Gevaria and the third place went to Tanisha Doot. Audience, I think we can put a round of applause for all these children. Thank you, Naval sir. For the 4 into 100 meters relay race for boys, the first we first call out for 11th and 12th standard. Please line up, children, the winners. Vinay, please run and reach the spot. The next prizes would be for 4 into 100 place was won by Rakesh. The second position went to Manish and the third to Lavish. Children, please line up and move forward. Children, you are requested to go reach Alpa ma'am to receive your medals. First prize, Rakesh. Second position went to Manish and the third to Lavish. And the winners for 4 into 100 meter relay race for the senior secondary, we have Vruti in the first position and Honey in the second position. And I request 10 standard students to please take your positions on the handball court. And parents, you are requested to cooperate and settle down for not more than half an hour. I'm sorry, I need to call out all the 4 students of the relay race, Krisha, Nupur, Vruti and Vishwa, who won the first position, and Honey, Akansha, Darshita and Asta taking up the second position. I repeat, the 4 into 100 meters relay race for boys. I made a mistake and so the whole team will go. The first position, Rakesh, Ajit, Satyam and Kripesh. Group 2, which won the second position, Manish, Akash, Blesson and Ujjwal. And Group 1, which won the third position, Lavish, Murgaon, Abhiram and Nirmal. And 4 into 100 relay race for girls of secondary section. Please, groups be ready. The first position was won by Aravali House, the 4 members, Riya Dave, Pratha Patel, Lakshita Drolia and Hitarthi Vora. Children, please move forward. The second position went to Vindhyanchal House, Janet Johnson, Anshika Tyagi, Rutuja Jagtap and Rishita Veena. And Nilgiri House took away the third position. Members are Prutha Gevaria, Tanisha Doot, Rutu Suthar and Drashti Jain. Next coming up is 4 into 100 meters relay race for boys. And the group members, please take your positions, be ready. The first position for the 4 into 100 meters relay for 9th and 10th standard, Vinay Umanwar from 10th, Krunal Shah from 9th, Chirag from 9th, and Somil from 9th standard. The second place was won by Aravali House, Zakaria from 10th, Manan Nandwana from 9th, Ayush Desai again from 9th, and Pankaj Sharma from 9th. And the third position was taken away by Nilgiri House, Nikunj Sharma 10th standard, Hussein Merchant 10th standard, Anirudh Mahida 10th standard, and Saurabh Saini from 9th standard. And now, thank you, Snehal sir. And now I invite Kavita ma'am to please do the honors. And little children, you are requested to move away from the lanes. I request cooperation from parents. जैसे मैंने बताया आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा प्रोग्राम ख़त्म होने में. प्लीज़ आप बैठ जाइए, बच्चे कहीं नहीं जा रहे. And I now request Kavita ma'am to please step forward to do the honors for the 4 into 100 meters relay race for girls for 7th and 8th standard children. Are you all ready? 7th and 8th standard relay race girls. Aravali House, first position, Sakshi Chauhan, Kusum Jha, Aditi P. Singh and Krupa Mrugang. Children, please move forward. The second position was won by Nilgiri House, Rishita P. Shah, Samita Chaudhary, Meeta Hegde and Yashi Thanki. Vindhyachal House took away the third position. Sneha Desai, Prisha Bhandari, Saili Jana and Khushi Thanki. Now 4 into 100 meters, 7th and 8th standard boys, please line up for your prizes. And we have only the first and second prize. Vindhyachal House securing the first position, Harsh Tripathi, Aman Patel, Ehrar Sayyed, Anuj Sheth. And the second position going to the Nilgiri House, Rachit Patel, Love Patel, Arnesh Singh, Kiran T. Pillai. As Aravali House was disqualified in this race, we have only the first and the second places. Fifth and sixth standard 100 meters running race for girls. Children, just line up. Aravali House winning the first prize, first position, Sakhi Rugani Sharwari Bosle. Oh, sorry. It is not the running. It is not the relay. It is the running race, and so we have only Sakhi Rugani winning the first position. Sharwari securing the second place and Ekta Sharma securing the third place from Nilgiri House. 100 meter boys, 5th and 6th standard. The first prize was won by Tanish Kamli. The second position by Devansh Dhiman. and the third place was won by Shreyank Kumar. The trinket race winners are requested to line up for the prizes. The first position was won by Samriddhi Agarwal. The second place went to Ananya Singh, and the third place went to Vidya Tanki. And the Mind Your Steps winners, the first prize went to Tanish Kamli, the second prize to Shreyank Kumar, and the third prize to Nimish Tiwari. Tanishk, Shreyank and Nimish in that order. Parents, I request you to please settle down and watch one more last program of our secondary students. We need your presence for motivating our children. Thank you, Kavita ma'am, for doing the honors. And I request Alpa ma'am to finish off the remaining 4 prizes. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. And now, Alpa ma'am, you will give away the prizes for 200-meter running for the girls of 7th and 8th. The first position went to Sakshi Chauhan, the second to Kusum Jha, and third to Samita Chaudhary. Children, you can put a round of applause for the prize winners. And 200 meters running race boys, the results are for 9th and 10th standard, Vinay Umanwar winning the first position, Zakaria Bagadia winning the second position, and Nikun Sharma taking away the third place. The hurdles event for boys of 7th and 8th standard. Children, you will be ready. The first position was won by Harsh Tripathi. The second one went to Aman Patel, and Shubham Lase from Aravali House took away the third position. And the last round of prizes to be given away this evening is for the hurdles girls of 9th and 10th standard. The first position was won by Simran Kumawat. The second position went to Yashasvi Meena, and the third place to Tanisha Dhoot from Nilgiri House. Congratulations, children. Congratulations to all the prize winners. But I think there is one, the last and the most important prize remaining, which all the three houses would be eager to know. And I request Bedekar sir to please step forward to give away the most important and prestigious prize, trophy for this evening, which is the championship trophy for the overall scores for our sports event held over the last month and completed tonight. Children, are you ready to hear the last and final scores? The three houses, the house captain and the vice captains, you are requested to step forward and receive your trophies. Okay, the third position was won by Vindhanchal House with a total score of 415 points. Let us hear a round of him. The third position goes to Vindhanchal House, the captain and the vice captain with 415 points. And any guesses for the first place? Okay, the second place goes to Nilgiri House with a total score of 440 points. And obviously the first position goes to Aravali House with a score of 550 points. Congratulations team, the captains, the vice captains and the house guides of Aravali House, taking away the first place with 550 points for the entire sports event which were held over the last month, and also the team events which took place throughout the first term and the first term. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And last but not the least,
इंद्रधनुष जी, इतने रंग भला कहाँ से लाए हो? क्या कोई दुकान खुली है आसमान में रंगों की? आसमान पर हीरों से यूं जो रंग जमाए हो। इंद्रधनुष जी, इतने रंग भला कहाँ से लाए हो? रंग रंग से बनी रंगोली लेकर आ रही है 8-9 की टोली, presenting the rainbow hues by the students of 8th and 9th standards.
Students are requested to go inside the class to mind the students inside. I request all the 10 standards to take their responsibilities inside the campus.
धनुष सिर्फ आसमान में दिखता है, आज तो ये वीपीएस की जमीन पे भी उतर आया है। सो ऑडियंस, इस रंग बिरंगी पेशकश के लिए जोरदार तालियां।
The town of Bethlehem, a child was born, of the line of David, born to be a king. An angel came to shepherds in the fields nearby, and this is what they said: for unto you is born this day a Savior who is Christ the Lord. For unto you is born this day a Savior who is Christ the Lord. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bell ring. Dancing and praising in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time is the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go a-gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingling the jingling feet. Oh yeah, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. पल है खुशियों का, आओ लहराए हम, जीवन के सरगम में कुछ ऐसे गाए हम। ये उत्सव अपनों का यूं जश्न मनाए हम बरसे तारों को ला कर घर को सजाए हम। से सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, भर के झोली मीठे सपने देने आया है। हे सफीले मौसम का राही आया है, भर के झोली मीठे सपने देने। एवरीबॉडी से सांता क्लॉस देखो आया है, भर के झोली मीठे सपने देने आया है। हे बर्फीले मौसम का राही आया है, भर के झोली मीठे सपने देने आया है। Sing with us. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kids. Glad tidings for the Christmas and Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kids. Glad tidings for the Christmas and Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and Happy New Year, and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Thank you, parents and trustees and all the invited guests. And would like to thank Bedekar sir. Morning I just called him up at 8:45 and 10 o'clock he left Pune and he was here by 4:15. Thank you very much sir for making it. You have energized us a lot, all of us. And yes, parents, thank you for having patience, because always last program we don't find audience, but you are there for us. Thank you very much. Once again a big thank you to Sajid Bhai, Atish Bhai for Mandap, the educators, staff 4, my children
and parents. Merry Christmas to all of you and see you all on 29th December back to school. Enjoy the vacations. And Standard 10th, study for your 29th paper. Thank you very much.